Good morning, everybody. Here we are, April 21st, getting ready to do some flying here at the field. And here's the field right here. And as you can see, it's a little foggy. Fog's lifting a little bit, but it's kind of too foggy to be flying these guys right here. So, plan B, gotta fly anyway, right? So we got something to fly. There it is, right there. The Nutball. Nutball flies anywhere, anytime. Even in the fog. Alright, so let's fly the Nutball. Even in the fog. Pick her up. Here she is, all ready to rock and roll. And she's off. And Nutball time. Definitely clear enough to fly. Now I could probably fly the other ones too, but Nutball's always fun. And around the van. Do a little hover. Nutball, and it goes. Look at that. Whoa! From Budget RC. Whoa! Oh, man. Just hit the soccer frame. Budget RC. Little kit here, but you can download the free plans on RC Groups with a Nutball. Yep, 3-channel. Only running the elevator and the rudder. That's it. That's it. Ooh. Likes to do all kinds of funky stuff with the Nutball. And you don't need much room to fly the Nutball. See if we can get her to go inverted. Whoa! Think too much power. I don't know, we'll see. Nutball's very quirky. Stable and quirky at the same time. It doesn't like to go upside down. Doesn't like to go upside down. That was close. I guess this video's getting a little long here. Alright, we'll go back over to Van. We'll bring her in for a safe landing. I can walk and fly at the same time. There she is. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Nutball, anytime, anywhere, even in a little fog. Alright, thanks for watching.